Welcome back to Aidhil Pratez's channel. We're thrilled to have you here today as we dive into a topic that's going to transform your outdoor living space and keep the good times rolling throughout the year. That's right, we've got 10 outdoor living space ideas coming your way. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing content. All right, let's get started. 1. Heat things up. Our first idea to maximize your outdoor enjoyment is to heat things up. Whether it's a chilly fall evening or a crisp winter night, having a source of heat near your seating area is a game changer. You can choose from options like a cozy fire pit, a stylish outdoor fireplace, or even a practical outdoor heater. Picture yourself gathered around the fire, sipping a hot beverage, and roasting marshmallows. It doesn't get much better than that, does it? 2. Add more lighting. Now, let's shed some light on the situation. In the summer, string lights and lanterns create a festive ambiance. But as the days get shorter in the fall, it's essential to add more lighting. Consider solar and LED fixtures, such as path markers, spotlights, and patio string lights. These not only keep your space well lit, but also add a touch of magic to your outdoor haven. 3. Weatherproof furniture. To make your outdoor space usable year-round, invest in weather-resistant furniture. Materials like powder-coated steel, teak, and polyresin wicker can stand up to the elements, ensuring your furniture lasts through all seasons. Don't forget to cover it and bring in cushions and pillows when the weather turns wet. 4. A grill or outdoor kitchen. Who says grilling is just for summer? Keep the grill sizzling all year long. Add some warmth with a heat lamp, tweak your menu for heartier dishes, and enjoy outdoor dining even when the temperatures drop. 5. Add a hot tub. For ultimate relaxation, consider adding a hot tub to your outdoor oasis. It's a year-round favorite, and there's nothing quite like soaking in warm water on a chilly evening. Invite friends over for a soak, and you'll create unforgettable memories. 6. Up the fun factor. Why limit yourself? Your outdoor living space can be a hub for fun year-round. Watch movies or sports on an outdoor TV, cook delicious warm meals, play games, or even build snowmen if it's snowing. The possibilities are endless. 7. Make things cozy. To truly enjoy the outdoors in any season, add a cozy touch. Think pillows, throws, and blankets for those chilly nights. Imagine wrapping up in a blanket with a friend, gazing at the stars, and sipping a hot beverage. 8. Year-round gardening. Bring the green indoors. Well, almost. Grow seasonal plants and herbs in containers near your outdoor space. This not only keeps you connected to nature, but also encourages you to step outside, even in cooler weather. 9. Decorate for the seasons and holidays. Why keep the festive spirit indoors? Take your celebrations outside. From Halloween parties to Thanksgiving feasts and even outdoor Christmas decor, your outdoor space can be a canvas for holiday magic. Just add the right lighting, warmth, and you're all set. 10. Patio roofs or enclosures. Lastly, if you have a patio roof or covered gazebo, you're more likely to stay outside when the sun sets. Add outdoor curtains for privacy and temperature control. You can even use privacy screens and enclosures to create cozy nooks, offering protection from the elements. There you have it, folks. 10 outdoor living space ideas that will transform your outdoor oasis into a year-round paradise. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time, stay inspired and keep those outdoor vibes alive.